Hi, my name is Brian Dickinson, owner of Dickinson Roofing. We service Sedalia in really 60 to 60 mile radius. We could go a little further. For Zuper, we had used another CRM program but I felt like we were more in a box. Chaotic, we had a lot of communication that we lost. We'd have a CRM, we'd have a build sheet, we'd have notes, we'd have spreadsheets. It was just a lot of chaos there. And there really wasn't a lot of moving parts. We had to create stuff outside the CRM.
Hi, my name is Alex Carrion, and I work here as a production manager at Dickinson Roofing. Before integrating with Zuper, we had multiple CRMs that we used. We had a roofing CRM, we had a picture CRM. Although it was very user-friendly, it was very limited to what we could do. With Zuper, we were able to dive in really deep, especially with the estimating portion. We can leave notes, we can have chats, we can have galleries. With all of our images all in one spot, we can send out images and links that never expire that we need, which is everything we used to do with our old CRM. But what I particularly like about Zuper is that we can get granular and into the fine detail level of scheduling. And I'm able to make my own statuses, which have been a game changer, because with the old CRMs, they had milestones that were set in stone. But with Zuper, I can make any status, any custom field that I want, customize it. And so we essentially get to develop our own roofing process the way we like it. And then I can train my project managers and salesmen to do it accordingly. And it makes tracking the jobs and scheduling them very easy.
Hi, my name is Tim Bogle. I'm a roof advisor here for Dickinson Roofing. With Zuper, we were able to provide more options that I wasn't able to supply before. Being that good, better, or best, with Zuper, you can go cheap, you can go middle ground, or you can go the best that the market has. I feel like in the past, without Zuper, I was only really giving one option. That's really, are you going with us or not? Now, it's retaining that sale because I got something cheaper, I got something middle ground, and I got something that's best on the market for you.
Hi, my name is Chris, and here at Dickinson Roofing, I have a do-it-all help with whatever needs to be done. I've built out all the systems for Zuper, including estimation, statuses, checklists, and all other workflows. So some of my favorite features with Zuper, probably my favorite one is going to be the CPQ intelligent quoting. Basically, I've been able to go in and create an estimation system where our sales reps can now go in and they can bid almost any roofing job with small little customizable things that they may need. Before, I used to have to go and write all the estimates for the company. And they'd say, hey, I need this for this roof, I need this for this roof. And I've been able to translate all that knowledge into a system now where they can do that all on their own. That's my favorite feature of Zuper.
My name is Sean Butterball. I work for Dickinson Roofing. I'm a project manager. What I do is I oversee the job. I make sure that my crew puts the roof on right and they do it efficiently. This here is my crew named MQ. Really good crew, and they're very knowledgeable and put on great roofs. So prior to Zuper, everything was pen and paper. You would have to mark it down, go through the paper, which is very difficult to keep in shape, not lose. With Zuper, it's right on your phone. You know, you hit it with your fingertip, it tells you everything you need to know. You can take pictures for the job, therefore for us to know how the crews get paid, and also for the customer if she has any questions or concerned about what happened on the roof. So since I'm in the roofing industry, I do feel like, you know, it was meant for roofing, but I feel like it could be used for just about any type of construction work.
If you're on the fence with Zuper, I think it's an amazing platform. You have to put in some work. It's not just, here you go, can't hand it over to you on a silver platter, but if you put in the work and you want something, they can make it happen with you. It's changed the way I look at my business. It's changed the way I'm thinking about operating my business. If you're on the fence about Zuper, I don't think there's another platform out there that you can really put everything together and not have to worry about all the other chaos that influencers put online.